Hi, my name is Melissa Gann. I'm Division Director for the Northeast Arkansas March of Dimes. The March of Dimes was established in 1938 by President Franklin Delano Roosevelt, who was a victim of polio, and he started the March of Dimes to defeat this disease that was killing and crippling record numbers of children. Within a few years, and thanks to the help of Americans who sent their dimes into the White House, Jonas Salk actually discovered the Salk vaccine, which babies still receive today, and because of that, we have conquered polio. March of Dimes is the only organization that has ever conquered the disease that we set out to fight. Since then, we have had many accomplishments and turned our attention to fighting birth defects, premature birth, and infant mortality, which covers anything that might cause the death of a baby. We've had numerous advances through the years. We've had 13 Nobel Prize winning researchers and had lots of things that have attributed to saving the lives of millions of babies. Premature birth has really become the #1 cause of death in newborns, and it's been a problem that has been increasing at an alarming rate. And the March of Dimes does a lot of research looking for what is actually causing this to happen and what we can do to prevent it. In Arkansas, on an average week, more than 100 babies are born too soon and too small. Many of these babies are fighting for every breath. Unfortunately, in an average week, 7 Arkansas babies will die before they reach their first birthday. So we're looking to find out what is causing this and what we can do to prevent it. So we're funding lots of research programs, looking into the different problems that occur during pregnancy, trying to find out, what indicators there are so that we can prevent this from happening. We also have a lot of education programs through our website, through print. Marchofdimes.com really has a wealth of information for just the general public, but we also provide a lot of educational materials for healthcare professionals such as doctors and nurses. We're really trying to get the word out that 39 weeks is best. 40 weeks is a completed pregnancy, but anything before 37 weeks is considered premature, and a lot of times people think that it's okay, those late preterm births, that there's not really any risks associated, but it doubles the infant's chance of dying before they reach their first birthday, even if they're born late preterm. So we have a lot of materials that are really trying to get the word out about these and other programs that will help moms and doctors to stop this from happening so that every baby can be born healthy and full term. We are a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and from our roots of conquering polio to now, we have relied on the contributions of people in the community, business leaders, individuals. It doesn't matter if you can help out with a few dollars or a few $1,000s. We really, look at what we did with polio. We conquered that through people sending in their dimes. So we just really want to ask everyone to do what they can to get involved. If you can make a donation of any amount, it would be greatly appreciated. But even if you can't help out financially, there are lots of volunteer opportunities available. Basically, we have different things going on throughout the year where we have events that we're in need of people to come out and help out the day of the event, to help out in preparing and planning for our events. In the spring, we have a big March for Babies event, which we actually start planning for in the fall of each year. And then in the fall, we have our Bikers for Babies event and the Signature Chef's Auction. We also do some smaller fundraisers like Jail and Bells in communities throughout Northeast Arkansas. We have lots of programs that happen at our schools where we get our youth involved. And so there's always some way for anyone who cares about the health of babies to become involved and to help support our mission. We are located here in Jonesboro. The March of Dimes office is located at 272 Southwest Drive here in Jonesboro. The zip is 72401, and of course you can mail donations to our office at any time. You can also contact me at 870-932-0300, or you can always go online, and like I mentioned before, there's a wealth of information at just the marchofdimes.com website. But if you're interested in finding out more information about what's going on in Arkansas or in your community, you can go to marchofdimes.com/Arkansas. And we always welcome the opportunity to get more people involved. We really need the support of citizens in our community and across Northeast Arkansas to help us to give every baby a chance to be born healthy and full term.